So for this problem, the family of curves, then to find the differential equation from this given, the parabola with vertex on the x-axis and axis parallel to the y-axis. Now take note that if the parabola opens upward, this one is the vertex, and this is now the axis of the parabola. Then if the parabola opens to the right, this one is the vertex. So this is now the axis of the parabola. So from this given, to graph this parabola, since the vertex is on the x-axis, so therefore, this is now the point of the vertex. Then the axis parallel to the y-axis. So therefore, this is now the axis of the parabola. So from this, the parabola opens upward. Then since opens upward, so we're going to use this formula to find the differential equation. So we have the quantity of x minus h to the power 2, then equals, since 4a is a constant and the derivative of a constant is 0, so therefore we can drop this 4. So we're going to use a, then times y minus k. Then from the given vertex, since the vertex of the parabola is h and k, since the vertex is on the x-axis, so therefore y is equal to 0 and y is equal to k. So the coordinate of the vertex is h and 0. Then substitute now these values to this formula. So this becomes the quantity of x minus h to the power 2, then equals a times y minus 0, because k is equal to 0, or this is the quantity of x minus h to the power 2 equals a times y. So this is now the equation we're going to use to find the differential equation. Then take note that the number of derivatives depends on the number of arbitrary constants. So since there are two arbitrary constants, so therefore we need to find the second derivative. So first, find the first derivative from this equation. So the derivative of this quantity of x minus h to the power 2. So using the general power rule, that u to the power n, so this is equal to n times u to the power n minus 1 times the derivative of u. So we have now n. So n is the exponent. So this becomes 2. Then times u, and u that's inside the parentheses. So x minus h. Then minus 1 for the exponent. So 2 minus 1. So this becomes 1. Then times the derivative of u. So the derivative of x, that's 1. And the derivative of a constant, this one is 0, then equals the derivative of a times y. So bring down this constant a. Then for the derivative of y, this one is y prime. Now take note that for every derivative of y, there must be a y prime. Then to simplify, so multiply. So this becomes 2x multiply. So this becomes negative 2h, then equals ay prime. So this is now the first derivative. Then from this first derivative, we need to find the second derivative. So the derivative of 2x, this one is 2, then minus, this one is constant, so the derivative of a constant, that's 0, then equals, so again, bring down this constant, and the derivative of y prime, so that becomes y double prime. Then to simplify, so this becomes 2 equals a times y double prime. Then to solve for a, so we need to solve for a, divide both sides by y double prime to solve for a. So we have now a equals 2 then over y double prime. Then from this, so we need to substitute this a to the first derivative. So replace this a with this value. So this becomes 2x minus 2h equals, so a is equal to 2 over y double prime, then times y prime. Then we need to simplify. So multiply these 2 times y prime. So this becomes 2y prime over y double prime. Then observe that in every terms, divisible by 2. So we need to divide by 2. So this becomes x minus h then equals y prime over y double prime. Then we need to substitute now this to the equation. So this is the equation. So we need to replace this x minus h by this value and also replace this a by this value. So the equation becomes the quantity of y prime over y double prime to the power 2 for x minus h then equals a. A is 2 over y double prime times y. Then to simplify, so distribute this exponent. So this becomes y prime to the power 2 and y double prime to the power 2. Then equals, multiply, this becomes 2y, then over y double prime. Then we can do now the cross multiplication, so multiply. So this becomes 2y times y double prime to the power 2. Then multiply. So this becomes y double prime times y prime to the power 2. Then observe in every term, so we need to reduce. Divide by y double prime. So cancel. Then cancel y double prime or 1y double prime. So the remaining is 2y times y double prime then equals. So the other side, that's y prime to the power 2. Then equate this to 0. So transpose to the other side. So this becomes 2y, then y double prime, and this becomes negative y prime to the power 2 equals 0. So this is now the differential equation.